Hello students, this is the another video in the series of the videos of the MCQs of IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics previous year's questions. So students, we are given here one question MCQ. Let x and y are continuous random variables with a joint probability density function. And what is the joint probability density function? That is fxy is x plus y whenever x is between 0 and 1 as well as y is also between 0 and 1. 0 otherwise, then we have to find the probability of this x plus y greater than 1 by 2. Students, in order to deal with such questions, we will first draw the reason. Which reason I am talking about? I want to work upon this x plus y greater than 1 by 2. So before that I will draw the line x plus y is equal to 1 by 2. Students, if you know, we can draw the line y equal to x like this, or it is just written like y equal to 1 by 2 minus x. So what would be the line y equal to minus x? It will pass through origin y equal to minus x. Or with the help of this particular line, I can draw here the line, this particular y equal to 1 by 2 minus x, and here it will cross 1 by 2 0 and here 0 and 1 by 2. So if I will draw a line here by passing through these 2 points, that line is known as 1 by 2 y equal to 1 by 2 minus x, or it is x plus y is equal to 1 by 2. And for sure it is 0 comma 0 origin. Students, we want to work upon the reason x plus y greater than 1 by 2. X plus y greater than 1 by 2, I mean to say this particular reason is required here. Now the thing is like, instead of working upon this reason x plus y greater than 1 by 2, x plus y greater than 1 by 2, what I can do? I can write this probability of x plus y greater than 1 by 2 is actually 1 minus probability of x plus y less than or equal to 1 by 2. So now less than or equal to 1 by 2, it means this particular dotted region I am talking about. So if I will cover this region, dotted region, with the help of either horizontal strip or vertical strip, this problem will be solved. Suppose I am drawing a vertical strip here. So from this vertical strip, at this place I will be getting y0, and here it will be y equal to 1 by 2 minus x. So what is the limit of y? It will be 0 to 1 by 2 minus x, and what will be the limit of x? That will be 0 to 1 by 2. So limit of x will be 0 to 1 by 2, and we know by the concept of double integration, it is a constant limit and it is the variable limit. So first of all we will deal the variable limit. So suppose this is equation number 1. So what I am going to do here, I am going to get this particular term. So probability of x plus y less than or equal to 1 by 2, it will be written like here, integration and limit of y first. Limit of y is 0 to 1 by 2 minus x, and fxy. Fxy is given x plus y in the question, as you can see, x plus y and it is a limit for y, and then what is the limit of x? That is 0 to 1 by 2 and then dx. And we know inside this bracket with respect to y, x will be constant. X will be constant. So if I will solve it, it will be xy plus y square by 2, 0 to 1 by 2 minus x, and 0 to 1 by 2 and then dx. So we will try to solve this integration. Only upper limit will work here, lower limit will not work because it is 0. So it is x into 1 by 2 minus x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus x whole square dx, and it is 0 to 1 by 2. So we will little bit more simplify it, that is 0 to 1 by 2 x by 2 minus x square plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 minus 2 into 1 by 2 into x, that will be x only, and plus x square and then dx, or it is 0 to 1 by 2 x by 2 minus x square plus 1 by 8 minus x by 2 plus x square by 2 and then dx. So this x by 2 and x by 2 will be cancelled out. It is 0 to 1 by 2 and it will be x square by 2 minus x square and plus 1 by 8 dx. Ultimately it is 0 to 1 by 2 and I can write it like 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 8 and then dx, or it is 0 to 1 by 2 minus x square by 2 plus 1 by 8 and then dx. So we will again one more time integrate it. So it would be like minus 1 by 2 is outside and integration of x square is x cube by 3. It is 0 to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 is here and integration dx, that is 0 to 1 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 6 x cube 0 to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 x, it is from 0 to 1 by 2. So it would be actually minus 1 by 6 and x cube means here 1 by 8 or for 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 8 into 1 by 2. So this 1 by 8 I can take outside, that will be minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2, or by taking LCM what we are going to get here, that will be 6 and minus 1 plus 3, that is 1 by 8 into 2 by 6. Ultimately it is 1 by 8 into 1 by 3, or it is 1 by 24. So what I will be doing here, this particular value I have obtained and that is equal to 1 by 24. Yeah, right. So that is 1 by 24. So this value I will be utilizing in this particular equation number 1. So what would be the final answer? That is 1 minus 1 by 24, that is 23 by 24. So yes, option A is right. So students, thank you so much for watching this video.